QuoteWerks has the ability to submit online orders to D&H, Ingram Micro, and TD SYNNEX directly from the purchasing module. This means that after you convert a QuoteWerks quote to an order, you can send electronic requests for fulfillment, eliminating the need for manual purchase orders or having to go to the distributor's systems to build and convert your order. If you have standing terms with your distributors, the order will be processed immediately. This saves time and effort associated with order processing. Additionally, as orders are fulfilled, QuoteWerks will retrieve shipping and serial information from the distributors, simplifying the order tracking process. To access the purchasing module, click on the purchasing icon here on the left navigation toolbar. This brings up the purchasing window and the purchasing tab. Here you can either select your currently open order or batch multiple orders together by selecting multiple orders. Next, you'll want to select your vendor from the drop-down menu. In this case, we'll select D&H. Select the products you wish to order, and you'll see at the bottom of the screen the Place Online Order button becomes available for us. We're going to go ahead and click that button. This brings up the D&H Online Order window. Here we can get our PO number, we can assign shipping information, and insert other information about our order. Note that any special instructions placed in the Special Instructions window will place the order on hold, requiring a sales rep to manually review and release the order. Once you're ready to submit your order, click on Verify Current P&A, which will verify the current pricing and availability with the selected vendor. In this case, we have no issues, and will validate our order. You'll see that it indicates that one of the items on our order doesn't currently have stock and is asking if we'd like to back order this item now, and we'll click Yes. Once the order has been validated, you can submit the order by clicking on Submit Order here. This order is now being submitted to D&H electronically. Once the order has been submitted, we'll be asked if we want to export to QuickBooks if you have your QuickBooks integration enabled. In this case, we will, so we'll click Yes. And it goes through the process of creating that QuickBooks PO, and you can see that we now have QuickBooks PO 26-1136 created. If we click back on the Purchasing tab and then navigate to the Purchase Orders tab here, you'll see that we have our purchase order 26-1136. If we click on it, we'll see the different items that were ordered on that particular order. We'll see that each of the items have a distributor sales order number associated with them and a warehouse. As the order is shipped, we'll get the ship fee information, the estimated ship date, shipped on, tracking information, and serial number if available. As you can see, the process of submitting electronic orders and creating purchase orders in QuickBooks is easy. If you have questions or would like to learn more, please see the QuoteWerks help files or contact the team at 407-248-1481.